These versatile pieces of furniture serve multiple purposes. By day, they provide ample seating for family and guests. By night, they transform into cozy beds for overnight visitors. Choosing the right sectional sleeper sofa can enhance your living space significantly.
Product number 1. Haojiu 108-inch sectional sleeper sofa with pull-out bed. U-shaped 7-seat modular sectional sofa with storage. Sectional couches for living room. Transform your living space with the Haojiu 108-inch sectional sleeper sofa, perfect for hosting guests with its pull-out bed. This U-shaped design comfortably seats 7 people, making it ideal for family gatherings. The modular sections offer convenient storage for a clutter-free space. Its dark gray color and removable cover add style and practicality to any home. Transform your living space with Haojiu's versatile sectional sleeper sofa, perfect for family gatherings or hosting guests. Maximize space with the pull-out bed feature. Sleepovers made simple. Store blankets, pillows, or toys in convenient compartments. Tidy up easily. Customize seating with modular sections. Flexibility meets comfort. Maintain a fresh look with removable sofa covers. Easy cleaning.
Product number 2. Euclivaria Sectional Sofa Couch. 87-inch sleeper sofa bed with reversible storage chase pull-out couch for living room. Experience comfort and style with the Euclivaria Sectional Sofa Couch. This 87-inch sleeper sofa effortlessly transforms your living space. The reversible storage chase offers extra room for essentials. A convenient side pocket keeps your magazines and remote within reach. Charging station ensures your devices stay powered up. Removable backrest and linen fabric provide a cozy and elegant touch. Discover the versatility of the Euclivaria Sectional Sofa Couch. This stylish piece adapts to your living room needs. Maximize space with the reversible storage chase. Store blankets and pillows easily. Convenience meets comfort with the pull-out sleeper bed, perfect for guests. Stay connected using the built-in charging station. Charge devices within arm's reach. Enjoy organized living with the handy side pocket. Keep essentials close by. Relax comfortably with the removable backrest. Customize your seating experience. Product number 3. Wateen Home Sectional Sleeper Sofa, 6-seaters dark gray modular sleeper sofa couch, comfy sectionals, couches, bed, convertible sofas with ottomans. Transform your living room with the Wateen Home Sectional Sleeper Sofa. This dark gray modular sofa seats 6 comfortably, perfect for family gatherings or movie nights. Easily convert it into a cozy bed for guests. Ottomans add extra seating or can be used as footrests. Enhance your home with its stylish and functional design. Imagine comfort that adapts to your needs. The Wateen Home Sectional Sleeper Sofa offers versatile seating. 6 seats fit family and friends comfortably. Dark gray color enhances any living room decor. Transform your living space effortlessly. The modular design allows flexible arrangements. Create a sofa or a bed, perfect for those unexpected guests. Ottomans add extra seating or footrests. Experience relaxation at its best. The comfy cushions provide support, great for lounging or napping. Easy to assemble and rearrange, ideal for modern, busy lifestyles. Style meets functionality in one package. Product number 4. WakeFit Reversible Sectional Sofa Couch, Sleeper Sofa Bed with Storage Chase Pull-Out Couch for Living Room. Transform your living space with the WakeFit Reversible Sectional Sofa Couch. Versatile design for seating and sleeping, ideal for unexpected guests. Hidden storage keeps your room tidy. Effortlessly pull out the bed for comfort. Durable linen fabric in deep gray adds elegance. Removable backrest enhances flexibility. Perfect for cozy gatherings. Transform your living room with the WakeFit Reversible Sectional Sofa. This versatile couch fits any space effortlessly. Enjoy extra storage with the hidden chase compartment, perfect for blankets or books. Turn it into a bed easily, ideal for sleepovers or guests. Removable backrests provide flexibility. Rearrange them for comfort. Durable linen fabric ensures longevity. Keeps your sofa looking fresh. Product number 5. Huatian Home Oversized Sleeper Sofa Couch. 110-inch 2-in-1 pull-out couch bed with double storage chase. Transform your living room with the Huatian Home Oversized Sleeper Sofa Couch. It's perfect for guests or cozy movie nights. The 110-inch design easily pulls out into a comfortable bed. Double storage chase provides ample space to stow away blankets and pillows. Keep essentials close in the side pocket. Its dark gray color adds a touch of modern elegance. Transform your living room with the Huatian Home Oversized Sleeper Sofa. Double functionality makes it a sofa and a comfortable bed. Side pocket keeps books, remotes, and gadgets within easy reach. Ample storage in the chase offers space for blankets or pillows. 110-inch size provides generous seating for family and guests.